2007 Honda CR-V 2.4. Today we're going to replace the AC fan. So for that we need to remove this bracket and this bracket too that is holding with 3 bolts number 10, and this one is holding for just 1 bolt 10. So we need to remove the bracket that is holding radiator, and also the cover that goes in there with some clips. So we're using number 10 socket. Alrighty, so we got 3 bolts number 10 in this side and another 3 bolts number 10 to the other side, and the bolt that is holding in the headlight. Alright, so now the radiator is moving. So now we need to remove the connector and remove that clip right there. Use this tool right here to remove the clip. Just be careful with the radiator, guys, when you're working on the fans, because sometimes you can make a pinhole in the radiator and you don't even see it, so be careful. So we're using number 10 to remove the 2 bolts that are holding the fan. All right, so now it's loose, so we need to remove this part right here. Is hold for 3 bolts number 10. Remove the cap right there too. And so yeah, we have to remove this part right here. Now you can we need to disconnect the electrical connector on the back. So it's this one right here, or just remove it from the clip to make more room. Alrighty, so with one hand you wanna work with the radiator, and with the other hand you're gonna remove the fan. Just take your time. You have another person to help you is better. So as you can see, I just removed the AC fan, and here's the part number for the new one. So that one, it was not working anymore, so the AC was not cold enough. So there you go. So here is the new one. Okay, that's the part number, there's the connector, everything is good. And you're gonna do the same process that you did that we did when we removed the old one. So as you can see now, is installed, and just make sure is in the right place. There is two holes on the bottom, so just make sure it goes in there. Okay, so as you can see here, so we got one there, right there. Let me show you better. And that right there, that part right there is in the hole on the bottom. Let me show you. And let's see. Okay, right here. So as you can see, so it fits perfect right there. Okay, so just make sure it's on place. Okay, so now we're gonna reinstall the two number 10 bolts. There's one and the other one. And now we're going to reconnect all the electrical connectors and the clip. Well, there is only one, so alright, make sure it's good. And then we're gonna restyle this part right here. As you can see, there's a little marks there, so we're gonna put in the same position of the marks. So now we're good. All right, and then we're gonna reinstall all the brackets. So we got two brackets each side. So this one is that is holding the radiator. So it's two bolts on frame and one bolt on the headlight. Okay, so we're gonna put the other one. The hose go over there and the other side too. So three bolts number 10. Alright, so now we are going to reinstall the brackets that are holding the condenser, the AC condenser. So it goes here and it's holding, it's gonna use just one bolt number 10 on each side. All right. Okay, just make sure everything is good. All right, so now we're gonna turn on the AC to see if this fan is working, and if it's working, we good to go. Okay, so let's do it. All right, so it's off. Let's turn it on. Okay. So you can see it's working. So the other one was not working, so that's why we replaced it. My customer states that when the car was running, uh, the AC was really cold, but when he wait on the stoplight, the air will start coming warm. That happens when the fan is not blowing air to the condenser. So that's why we replaced that, because that fan was not working. So the AC should be good right now. Yep, it's really, really cold, but much better. Alright, thank you guys. See you next time.